Hello students, good morning. In this video we will discuss about the Cannizzaro reaction. Most beautiful reaction in the chemistry world, that is the Cannizzaro reaction. So students, you know that in chemistry there are the two opposite reaction. One is oxidation and another is the reduction. Oxidation means addition of oxygen, whereas reduction means removal of oxygen. Oxidation means removal of hydrogen, whereas reduction means addition of hydrogen. Here gain of electron, then here loss of electron. Okay, means these two exactly opposite reactions, these are carried out in the same reaction with the same molecule under identical condition, and that is called as the Cannizzaro reaction. Okay, so the Cannizzaro reaction, it is the example of the reactions of aldehydes, only aldehydes, those aldehydes which do not contain alpha hydrogen atom. In aldol condensation you studied that what is the alpha hydrogen atom. So here only those aldehydes shows that Cannizzaro reaction which do not contain alpha hydrogen atom, and these aldehydes are, one is formaldehyde and another is benzaldehyde. Okay, so let's start with the formaldehyde. Means this Cannizzaro reaction, here this is the specific reaction for aldehyde which contain no alpha hydrogen atom. Okay, so here when the aldehydes with no alpha hydrogen atom treated with the concentrated and strong alkali like NaOH or KOH, then one aldehyde molecule gets oxidized to acid, whereas another molecule of aldehyde gets reduced to alcohol. For example, here formaldehyde. Okay, so here formaldehyde HC double bond OH. This is formaldehyde. What is the IUPAC name of this compound? Yes, it is methanol. Then HC double bond OH, another formaldehyde molecule, plus NaOH or KOH 50%. Okay, then here this aldehyde formaldehyde molecule HC double bond O, this H gets removed, means it is oxidized, and from NaOH here ONA combined with this carbon and to form here HC double bond OONA, and this is called as sodium formate. Means this is the oxidized product. Okay, then here HC double bond OH means another formaldehyde molecule. This H means this double bond O gets converted into two single bond. Then H combined with this carbon and this H combined with oxygen and to form here HCH. This H combined with this carbon and the H from OH combined with this O, and to form here methyl alcohol, and this is reduced product. Okay, so students, see here, this is the one reaction in which there is an identical condition in one beaker when two formaldehyde molecule treated with the concentrated NaOH, then one formaldehyde molecule gets oxidized to sodium formate, whereas another formaldehyde molecule gets reduced to methyl alcohol. Means one aldehyde on oxidation, another aldehyde on reduction. Means in the same beaker, in the same conditions and the same molecule, when they treated with the same compound, one gets oxidized whereas another gets reduced, and this is the beauty of this Cannizzaro reaction, and this is the Cannizzaro reaction. Okay, next one, that is the benzaldehyde. This is all about the formaldehyde. Then Cannizzaro reaction of benzaldehyde. Again, benzaldehyde, it is the aldehyde which doesn't contain alpha hydrogen atom. Okay, even though it contain benzaldehyde contain alpha carbon, but on the alpha carbon there is no alpha hydrogen atom, and that's why benzaldehyde shows the Cannizzaro reaction. Okay, here acetaldehyde and acetone, they do not show the Cannizzaro reaction. Why? Because they contain alpha hydrogen atom. They carried out or they are involved in the aldol condensation reaction. Okay, isn't it? Then benzaldehyde. Here benzaldehyde, that is benzene. Here C double bond O and H. This is benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde. Another molecule of benzaldehyde. Here C double bond OH and plus here KOH. Okay, 50% aqueous. Then what happened here? Here again this benzaldehyde molecule, this H gets removed. Okay, and at the place of H, here OK combined here and to form here potassium benzoate, C double bond O, OK, positive here negative, and this is sodium benzoate. Sodium benzoate. This is oxidized product. Okay. Whereas another benzaldehyde molecule, this benzaldehyde molecule, here C double bond converted into 2 single bond, and now the H goes to this carbon here, and this H goes to oxygen here, and to form here benzyl alcohol, and this is the reduced product. Again, I repeat here, benzaldehyde oxidized to sodium benzoate, whereas another benzaldehyde gets reduced to benzyl alcohol. Again here, the same molecule, same conditions, identical another reagent, and even though all is identical, one molecule gets oxidized whereas another molecule gets reduced. How beautiful. Okay, next one, that is the cross aldol condensation. And this Cannizzaro reaction, it is the best example of disproportionation reaction. Okay, then here cross Cannizzaro reaction. So in cross Cannizzaro reaction, here formaldehyde reacts with any enabolic, means containing no means aldehyde which do not contain alpha hydrogen atom. Okay, so here formaldehyde HC double bond OH. Okay, then benzaldehyde here C double bond OH. So here plus KOH or NaOH 50%. Okay. So here formaldehyde gets oxidized to potassium formate, formaldehyde, and this is benzaldehyde. So here formaldehyde oxidized to potassium formate, whereas benzaldehyde reduced to benzyl alcohol. Here H gets removed and OK combined here, and to form here HC double bond O, OK. This is potassium formate means potassium salt of formic acid, and this is oxidized product. Okay, whereas this benzaldehyde, this H combined this carbon and H combined with this O, and to form here benzene, here C, H, H, and here OH, means benzene CH2OH, and this is called as benzyl alcohol. Benzyl alcohol. Okay, this is all about the cross Cannizzaro reaction. Okay, so after watching this video, attempt the following question. First, what is action of 50% NaOH on formaldehyde? Then Second, acetaldehyde and acetone. Do not show Cannizzaro reaction. Cannizzaro reaction. Explain why. Okay. Next, third one. What is action of 50% KOH on benzaldehyde? Then fourth one, write reaction of cross Cannizzaro reaction. Fifth one, what is action of 50% NaOH on mixture of benzaldehyde and methanol. Okay.